I've been itching to take a trip. Want to plan something together?
Absolutely. I could use a getaway. Any place in mind?
I've been thinking about Italy. How does that sound to you?
Italy sounds amazing. We could eat our way through Rome, explore Florence, and maybe even hit up Venice.
Exactly what I was thinking. When do you want to go?
How about late spring? The weather should be perfect, and we'll have time to plan everything out.
Perfect. I'll start looking at flights. Should we do hotels or Airbnbs?
I'm down for Airbnbs. It's nice to have that local vibe, plus it can be more affordable.
Agreed. I'll check out some options. We should definitely stay in a cool neighborhood in each city.
For sure. And we have to make a list of must-see spots. The Colosseum, the Vatican, maybe a day trip to Tuscany?
Yes to all of that. And we can't forget about the food: pizza, pasta, gelato.
I'm already hungry just thinking about it. We should also try to find some local spots, not just the touristy places.
Definitely. I'll do some research on that too. How long do you want to stay?
Maybe 10 days. Enough time to explore without rushing.
Sounds good to me. We can split the time between Rome, Florence, and Venice.
Perfect. I'm so excited for this trip. It's going to be incredible.
Same here. Let's start booking things this weekend and make it official.
Deal. Can't wait to start this adventure with you.